Hello, my name is Lucas. It's the most beautiful kid in our school. Actually, my happiest thing is to be able to see everyone's smiling faces every day. Grow up with your family. My story starts a few years ago. I still remember when I was just picked up by my classmates and teachers. I was nervous and scared, but they are very gentle to me. Take me to the pet hospital for examination and prepared a very warm home for me.
What's his name?
Lucas.
他的中文名字是卢卡斯。
Why did we call him Lucas?
It means light and will surely brighten the whole school.
这也代表了他从流浪到加入协和大家庭这段被爱的故事。
Later, I will officially become a member of the school. Start a new life here. There will be lovely teachers and students every day. Take turns taking care of me. And buy me a lot of snacks and toys. Sometimes, I can also make some friendly new friends. Sometimes, teachers and students will take me to play in the park around the school.
Lucas, what is the secret of your happiness every day?
Living in Zhaoxiang is my warmest and happiest home.